Hi, it's Patrick Crampton Thomas from Industries Excellence again. And today I'd like to welcome you to the next session in our expert series about SAP Digital Manufacturing. So moving forward in the process, what we're going to look at now is a packaging environment, packaging work center. And SAP DM is taking care of all the complexities around packaging in a dynamic environment. We might be doing make to order, we might have different line speeds, different products coming through, and we really need to control, make sure each unit is packed correctly, and then also with full traceability so that we're using serialization, batch control, etc., to give us that full traceability and accuracy through the packaging process and labeling process. So with that, I'm going to hand over to Javier, and we're going to take a look at SAP DM in a packaging scenario. So thanks very much.
Hello, I am Javier Oroz. I am a digital manufacturing functional consultant at Engineering Industries Excellence. And during the last episode of this series of videos, we presented the Repair Work Center pod, and we demonstrated how to execute the rework process after some defect is detected in the shop floor. Today, in this demo session, we will see how to execute the last step of the routine, which is the packing operation, using the packing pod in SAP DM. We will continue with the same example as in previous sessions. So let's imagine that you are a customer which needs to produce this finished product, which is the Cooper. Okay, and right now, after executing all the previous operations, either in the happy flow or unhappy flow, the last operation is the packing. Okay, but the packing isn't just the last step of the process, it's a critical step. So we will see how SAP DM ensures accuracy, traceability, and the speed at the packing station. Okay, we have prepared an example and we will demonstrate you in our packing pod how we can pack different pieces, different orders in SFCs into a packing unit box, and later we will see how to pack these different boxes into a carrier. Okay, so let's go to SAP DM. This is our packing pod. Okay, we are using the work center pack, resource pack. We have here several orders. So let's see that, for example, we are going to pack these two SFCs together, okay, in one box. So for that, we will open the first SFC. We will start the production in the packing operation, clicking on Start. Then before packing, we need to create a packing unit. For that, we click on Create Packing Unit. Here we select the material, which in this case is the Cooper box. It's the box that we use to pack the Coopers. And the packing unit ID is generated automatically. Okay, so we click on Create, and we will see here in our packing list the packing unit 22. So here we can open it, and we can either scan or manually enter the SFC here in this field to look for our SFC. This way we can select it, click on Add, and this way it is added to the box. But let's not pack it yet. Let's first complete this SFC and start the other SFC. So we will complete this one and go back to the main screen. We select the next available SFC that we want to pack together. We can start it again. Okay, same process, and we scan the SFC. Okay, sorry, this is the same, it's 48. We select it and we add it. Now we can see that both SFCs are in the packing box. Okay, so now we can pack. Then this box now is closed. We can also complete this SFC. Okay, but as you see, this is a quite manual process. This is the default packing list plugin, but SAP DM allows us to configure the pod, customize it in a way that we can automate this process and make it simpler. For that, we can use the packing pod, okay, the pod designer. Here we can edit it. I have created a packing pod automatic, adding these two new buttons, which in these buttons we are calling a specific process that is running in the background to add the SFCs to the packing unit automatically. Okay, so we will now repeat the same demo with the automatic pod. This is the demo pod, automatic one. We refresh. We have two new SFCs. We can select the first one. The same as before, we can start it. Okay, once it is started, we can create a packing unit box. Instead of clicking here, we can simply click in this automatic process. Here we can see a pop-up saying that the packing unit has been created. And now simply we can click on SFC to add the current SFC to the currently created packing unit. So we can see it here, packing unit 23. We can click on Go here to refresh on the screen, and we will see it here, the packing unit with one. The content is one, which is the SFC that we just added. Now we can complete this SFC because it's already packed. Let's go back to the main screen, select the next SFC, and let's pack it as well. Let's add it to the box. So we will simply start it and add it to the pack. Here we can see the SFC has been added successfully to the packing unit. We click here, go to refresh, and we can see that the contents is 2. If we open it, we can also see here the 2 SFCs, but this way we don't have to look for the SFCs in this list and we can automatically add it. And once the box is finished, we can click on pack to close the box. Okay, so this was the demonstration on how to pack in different boxes. Now we will do the demo of how to pack different items, can be boxes or directly SFCs, in a carrier, which is a returnable package material. Okay, so for that, let's go to the main screen. Here we can either continue in the same screen after we created 2 boxes. Let's put these 2 boxes together in a carrier. For that, we will have to create a packing unit, okay? And in this case, we have to select a carrier. Let's select the carrier 1, okay? And here we have to select the current location, the source location, which is the packing resource. Here, it generates automatically the packing unit for the carrier. We click on create, and we can see it here. It is open, and now if we click on it, we select here packing units, we will see our packing units 22 and 23, and we can add them to the carrier. This way we can also assign a destination, okay? Let's say we want to transport this carrier to the warehouse from the last operation, the packing operation, to the warehouse, and we want to do it today at 6 p.m. Okay, so the destination has been assigned, and we can pack it to close it. And now the production process has finished here in the packing operation, and now the logistic process can start. The logistic operator will go to this execute logistics orders app, and automatically you can see that a logistic order has been generated once we create this carrier with the source location, the packing station, and the destination, the warehouse. And here, the logistic operator with the forklift or directly with the car can go here, accept the order, then check the accepted orders, pick it, add it to the forklift, then move it. And once it is placed in their destination, they can confirm it, confirm the destination, which is the warehouse. And here, the logistic order has arrived to the warehouse. So after that, the carrier with finished products is in the warehouse. So the production process and the internal logistics process are finished. So with this example, we conclude today's session where we demonstrated how to execute the packing operation using SAP DM. Okay. And in the next demo session, we will show you the different ways available in SAP DM to see reports, to monitor the production using the line monitor pod and the embedded analytics tool in SAP DM. Thank you.